Why Pico de Loro is the best place to stay this rainy season. You'll enjoy a more private and peaceful stay at Pico de Loro Beach with fewer crowds. You can marvel at the lush, vibrant landscape of Pico de Loro and make your photos Instagram-worthy. Budget-friendly accommodations as low as 2,900 pesos if you book in JBV Pico de Loro units, making your stay at Pico de Loro Beach more affordable. The rainy season creates a cozy, inviting ambiance, perfect for relaxing and enjoying indoor comforts. Pico de Loro Beach is nature-friendly, offering an eco-conscious escape. Lower than usual entrance fees during the rainy season, making it more affordable to enjoy a variety of sport activities and outdoor adventures. For booking appointments,